ફ્લિપ કરો ચલો બધા. ફ્લિપ કરવાની છે તીર્થ. ફ્લિપ કરવાની છે ચાલો. ડન તીર્થ.
Yes.
યસ તીર્થ.
Book name is Aesop's Fables.
યસ વેરી ગુડ.
The first chapter is The Hare and the Rat.
યસ.
There are 51 chapters and 120 pages.
યસ 51 ચેપ્ટર્સ. યસ વેરી ગુડ બેટા.
And it is based on a lion and a rat.
યસ.
There are so many stories where the lions and the rats meet. In the last chapter, the moral of last chapter is the foolish is never be enough. The foolish is not enough.
યસ વેરી ગુડ.
In this book, there is so many colorful pictures are there. There are so many colorful pictures. In all chapters, there is one moral in the last chapter.
યસ એક્સેલન્ટ બેટા.
In it, it is based on some ants, some snows, and the sheep. And in last page, it is the details has been written.
યસ.
Thank you.
ડન.